As you all know, the reason for today's gathering is the official groundbreaking of this exciting $20+ million project investment in the city of Bridgeport to create jobs, to create good health care, and hopefully to create housing.
Almost 1,000 people in P.T. Barnum and some of the scatter sites in the neighborhood that use the services of Southwest. We approached Kathy about doing a combination housing and relocating the medical facility so that we could replace it close enough to PT and also serving all the surrounding neighborhood that Southwest serves. This is just another piece in the puzzle for this neighborhood to really move forward. And we're really proud that we could be a part of this upgrade in this particular area.
We are embarking on a mixed-use, very exciting, creative project, which, as many of you know by now, will create 35 units of public housing and a brand new medical and dental center, which will replace our Bird Street site. We will have more than 40% extra capacity than we do now at Bird Street to provide medical, dental, and behavioral health services to our community.
This is really going to be a green project. This is going to produce jobs, as we've heard, and the city's role is to get this through zoning. The city's role is to donate some of the land that it's on, and the city's role is to do whatever it takes to be a full partner with the Housing Authority to make sure that these important units of housing are built and the health care is delivered equally in a beautiful modern facility for all. So I want to thank you very much. Bridgeport is a great city. It's even greater today because of this facility. Thank you very much.
Addressing people who are disadvantaged is about health, it's about work, it's about housing, it's about education, and it's about a reasonable environment. And here we are. We're going to build something that is going to be supportive housing, access to health care for folks who might not otherwise have it, reasonable proximity to jobs. This neighborhood is growing, stores are opening. So this is a project that puts together a lot of different things that people need and does it in a way backed by people from different communities, from the private sector, from the government. And so this is what we need to be doing more of.
In the 22 years that I've been at HUD, we've built a lot of housing. Our title is Housing and Urban Development. There's an and in there. It's not housing or urban development. It's housing and urban development. And it's creating neighborhoods. It's not creating individual units. Some of the greatest projects that I've had pride in are ones just like this, where we brought grocery stores to neighborhoods that didn't have them, health facilities to neighborhoods that didn't have them or expand them, and the jobs that come with them to be in neighborhoods that need the jobs. I just wanted to salute all of you for all you do and know that the legacy that is here with the resources that are built will provide not only services to this community now, but it will be a long legacy for many generations to come.
No matter what you look like, where you come from, how much money you have or don't have, people in Bridgeport have the right to access to quality health care. And the second very basic premise is that those same people have the right to quality health care in a first-class, dare I say, world-class facility. And that's going to come about today.
On behalf of Senator Richard Blumenthal, who's unable to be here today, it is my honor to be here on his behalf and say thank you. Thank you to Kathy, thank you to Nick for the hard work and the vision that you put forward to make this day possible.
There were days, and I mean, that we worked 20 hours on this project. There were days where we basically gave up weekends on this project to make certain milestones, and you don't see it because you don't see it built, but all that effort went into it, and I want to thank them personally and all the other development staff and other staff that have been supporting this project from day one.
I just want to say one thing. If it takes a village to raise a child, it takes a nation to sustain a community. And we are here today, a sustainable community. Thank you to everyone.